Hey guys, video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2014 Jeep Cherokee. The vehicle's got around 63,000 miles on it. It has the 2.4 four-cylinder engine in it. The customer was complaining that the check engine light came on and they had another shop check this out and said it had a misfire on cylinder 1. And also they noticed that the vehicle was hitching and bucking at times and running hot. Looked at the spark plugs on this thing for cylinder 1, and we found that the electrode was wet a little bit. So used the borescope and stuck it down on cylinder 1, and we noticed that it was very wet. Checked cylinder 2 and it was dry. So we knew we had to tear this thing down. Got the cylinder head removed and started looking at that cylinder 1 cylinder, and got it cleaned up here, and you could see a little marring here around the water jacket. There's a little gash here, and you could kind of see where the coolant was coming up through. And looking at the cylinder wall itself, I'll get it zoomed out here, there's an actual fine hairline crack on the cylinder wall. Got looking through the Chrysler stuff to see if there's a star case on it, and there is a star case on this particular concern. Get it blowing up here so you can see it. The star case number is S1509000012, and the symptoms for the vehicle with the 2.4 multi-air engine exhibits misfire. So that was what the customer was stating. It was running rough, misfiring. Condition may resume once vehicle is at operating temperature, and we may have diagnostic trouble codes, P0300 random misfire. This particular one was just on that cylinder 1 where the coolant was ingesting. P0301 is what we had on this particular vehicle. And you can see here in the images where Chrysler shows the concern, where we have a hairline crack into the cylinder wall. So basically exactly what we have here on ours. There's a crack here in the cylinder wall. This thing was low on coolant. There was nothing showing in the reservoir, but the customer kept adding coolant to it, so didn't have a chance to really severely overheat. I checked the cylinder heads without being cleaned up yet. We had right around 2,000ths. Usually anything below 2,000ths, 0.002, is within specifications. Same thing with the cylinder block. Had around 2,000ths. So it didn't get extremely hot, and good thing they kept adding coolant to it, so we could probably save the cylinder head on it. If not, I'll probably just go with a long block, whatever's available at the time. I've seen some of these 2.4s too with external coolant leaks, usually right in this area right here. Bring up a pen here. Seen them leak right in this area right here. This highlighted area. Externally. So basically, since we got a defective block here, I'm going to have to recommend a new engine for this vehicle. Hey, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. Have a nice day.